to show you what ceiling fans we have at the train station. Now back here is a 52-inch Halsey G vent. And then over here we have a Rainbow Hunter. And they added this light kit. Around this train car. And there is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze. But this is a 4-bladed fan. And over here we have a 60-inch Hunter. This is a 60-inch Hunter ceiling fan. This one has 5 blades and 4. There's the light kit of the 4 ways, and it has 5 blades. Wait for the train to pass. And there is a green fan right here. Another 4-bladed fan. This is a 52-inch Hunter original. This light kit is doesn't look like exactly on the Halsey ceiling fan. And here's another ceiling fan right there. This is a Harbor Breeze. And it's got a little swirl on the hood. And it's got the wall mount controls. And it goes to the fan. Now there is the next one. It's another Harbor Breeze. Harbor Breeze Captain. And this next fan is a craft-made Victoria with blue and gold to make it look like West Virginia University, or WVU for short. Kind of see, there's the Halsey over there. Wait for the train to pass. And there's the 5-bladed Hunter again. Alright. Now back to the Halsey. We're back here where we started. Sure. You get your own ceiling fan at home. And please like and subscribe and leave a comment. So that's all the fans, and I'll see you guys later.